What up, good people? Huge shout out to Checker Flag Audi for allowing me to review the 2025 Audi Q5. Today we're introducing the 2025 Audi Q5 S-Line, wrapped in a striking Daytona gray pearl. At 185 inches in length and 65 inches in height, it sits on a confident 112-inch wheelbase with an 8-inch ground clearance. This Q5 is designed to handle the road ahead with style and control. Under the hood is the 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 268 for the torque, 295 at 4,000 RPM. This vehicle can sprint from 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. But efficiency have not been forgotten. 28 on the highway and 22 in the city. Here's the sound of this beast. This is the early model 2025 Q5 S-Line. Will you just look at the Audi Q5 S-Line? Imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising down the road with no care in the world. Would you trade in your current SUV for this? Where luxury meets performance. The Q5 doesn't just get you there, it makes sure you arrive in style. This has an MSRP of $62,000. Now we're making our way inside of the cabin, and it doesn't disappoint. You immediately greet with premium black leather seats, beautiful accents with subtle gray stitching. It's a space where modern luxury meets everyday comfort. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your RPMs with your gas gauge, on the right you have your MPH, in the middle you have your date and time. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can customize your display, traffic sign, setting, and much more. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your menu button with your view button. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command, alongside your heated steering wheel and your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. In the door panel, you have your trunk release. Right here, we are looking at a 10-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking down from the radio, you have your heated and cooled seats with your dual climate control. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your auto start feature, traction control with your parking sensor, alongside your hill assist. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 7-speed automatic transmission. Right beside the shift knob, you have your volume knob. You have your cup holder area. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with gray stitching. You have your air vent with your climate control. You have your USB outlet with your 12-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. We then made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 25.9 cubic feet with all the seats folded down, measuring at 54 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You could put a couple of 40-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Checker Flag Audi for allowing me to review the 2025 Audi Q5. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.